In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over some gate wheels. I want y'all to check these things out. These are the 4-inch version of a gate wheel that will go on any type of wooden gate or metal gate. You can put them on. I'm just gonna show you everything you get in the package here. I have a small little gate over here that has a bad wheel on it, and I wanted to upgrade the wheels, and you know what? I decided to go with a little better quality this time around. And looking over these things feel tough. Look at that. That feels really good. That's a really solid feel to them. You got 2 of them in here. You got hardware. Looks like you got a little set of hardware there and a little set of hardware there. This is a 2-pack. Let me go ahead and install these, and I'll show you what they look like. Or I'm just going to put one on, and then I'm going to save one, and we'll see how it works. So let's do that. Okay, everybody, there it is installed. It was super simple to install it. I just drilled 2 holes right here. I'm actually going to replace this whole gate. I just wanted to install it real quick to show y'all exactly what it looks like. And this wheel, what I do, it hits that pavement there, and it just kind of like rolls. This is my wooden gate that's been here for maybe 10 years, and it was here when I got the house, and I've been wanting to replace this whole thing. But I got me the wheel, and I'm getting ready to replace it, and I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like installed. So there it is, and that works perfect. And this thing will just open and close super smooth. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the, the rolling gate wheel. See y'all next video.